Hi everyone. Today I'm going to be looking at why you don't need other basic 2D CAD software for architectural drafting and how Vectorworks can serve that need really well and do a whole lot more. Now, before I get into the details, I want to point out that Vectorworks is built for designers and allows you to design without limits. You can draw pretty much anything you can imagine. The tools in the software are easy to use and highly capable. You can create large or small projects, and you have a lot of freedom for how you organize your file to suit your workflows and projects. So currently, if you are doing architectural drafting in AutoCAD or another similar application, it's likely that you are drawing 2D lines or shapes to represent walls, windows, doors, etc. in plan. Along the same lines, you would be drawing other independent lines or shapes to represent building elements in elevation and in sections too. Everything would be drawn manually, just like one would have done on a drafting board, and all drawings would be independent of each other. It works for making drawings, but it's an old-fashioned method that takes a long time to draw the first time, and then takes even more time when, not if, changes to a design need to be done. Combined with that, many other CAD applications tend to be somewhat difficult to use as they are simply made for general-purpose drafting, not architectural design. They can also be difficult or impossible to customize for your needs. Now, while Vectorworks can do 2D drafting, something it does really well and it produces even more impressive looking results than AutoCAD, I'm going to propose a better, more modern and efficient way of working that is possible with Vectorworks. On top of that, Vectorworks is easier to use, it is more flexible and versatile, and it is much easier to customize to your liking. So about this more efficient way of working. Vectorworks lets you work in a hybrid design environment using our parametric building tools to do so. In the hybrid working environment, you can draw in 2D while in plan view, and those same objects have 3D aspects to them that can be seen in 3D views. And the objects that you are drawing are real building elements with parameters you can set and adjust on the fly. What this means, for example, is that you can use our wall tool to draw an actual wall, including line thicknesses for each face and a fill color or hatch built right in 2D. You don't need to draw individual lines and shapes to fill the space between them with a color. In addition to the wall tool, the door and window tools work in the same way. You can place them while in 2D plan view, and they will insert into walls with all the lines and fills that are set for each type of object. They are also aware that they can be inserted into walls, so they automatically create openings in walls where they need to. As part of this relationship, walls will automatically heal when you delete or resize a window or door. At the same time you are doing this, those walls, windows, and doors have heights and other 3D aspects built right into them as well. So if you switch to a 3D view, you can get a sense of how it will look when it's built. A great benefit of all this is that instead of merely drawing graphics to represent building objects, you are drawing the actual building objects once, and they can be seen in plan views, sections, elevations, and so on. When a change occurs in the design, you only need to change the actual object once, and all views that include that object will show the same change. This makes creating coordinated, accurate drawings much easier and helps avoid errors. Looking at a larger, more complex design, we can see other parametric objects such as columns, stairs, and cabinets. Needless to say, there are a lot of parametric tools and commands in Vectorworks, as you can see here, since it is purpose-built for architects and building designers. In this case, to finish off this simple building, I would simply add floor slabs and a roof. If you would like to enhance your designs, Vectorworks has a huge library of what we call resources. These are things like ready-made symbols, which are the equivalent of blocks in AutoCAD, hatches, materials, textures, and so on. These are readily available right from the Resource Manager. You can easily search through our existing collection of resources, curate your own collections, share them with others who you work with, and so on. Navigating your design to help speed up your work or to create presentation views is quick and easy with Save Views. And when you're ready to start creating documentation, viewports of your design will get plans, sections, and elevations onto sheets in preparation for printing, making PDFs, or a wide variety of other output options. To complete creating your drawing set, Versatile features such as smart markers, data tags, title block borders, and a full suite of annotation tools are ready to help you create easy-to-read, accurate documentation. Smart markers are coordinated between sheet layers, making change management and drawing set navigation easy. And in keeping with Vectorworks customizability, you can create styles for these drawing graphics that match your professional or office standards. It all comes together as part of a complete, great-looking drawing set. Coordinated plans, sections, and elevations automatically generated from a design model of your actual building. Clear notes and dimensions. Best-in-class graphics. All right within Vectorworks. And beyond basic black and white drawings, you can take advantage of Vectorworks' great graphic abilities to render and accentuate your drawings. When it's time to issue your drawings, the Publish command helps to easily generate and track drawing sets. This can really streamline the delivery and collaboration process throughout the project phases. This is why you don't need any other 2D CAD software and all the painstaking, time-consuming, uncoordinated, and manual drawing that comes with it for your drafting work. Vectorworks makes the whole process more accurate, much faster, and far better looking. And all of this is just the beginning. To find out more and to get your free trial of Vectorworks, visit vectorworks.net and click on the free trial button.